finished up at Carz and Caffeine. It was a pretty cool little turnout. I didn't really get much video, so it's going to be a quick little 3-minute, 2-minute video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Thanks. I also got to meet Import Creations. There was another guy that was supposed to show up, and I think I missed him. But so it was cool. I got to meet some other people and donated some toys for the toy drive, and so hopefully that'll help some kids out. So pretty fun little event, and they had food and music and stuff like that. So hopefully I'll see you guys at the next one, and like I always say, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.